I think it's harvest time for this potato, y'all, but I'm not sure. I heard for some people until the green like fell over, it wasn't done, but there was someone on YouTube that said, well, if the bugs are getting it, dump it. We've never grown potatoes before. I think a few years ago I had like 2 or 3 that I grew, but anyway, this is the good, bad, and the ugly. There might be something in here, there might not, but let's go ahead and dump it. Dump it out. I don't know if I can even. Heck yeah. I guess I'll go ahead and pull these first, huh? See if there's anything in there. Oh, I see a little tater. I'll put this in the compost. Pull this one. See what's under there. Oh. Imagine if that's all I had in here. Might be. I have no clue. If not, I hope I'll just let the other ones go longer. Hopefully we'll get something out of there. Oh, there's a little tater, see? Itty bitty. We had so much rain, I was kind of scared to leave these two. Oh, well, look at all those taters. Alright, let's go ahead and dump it. Yeah, there's taters in here. Heck yeah. Oh, I think I broke my bucket. Alright. I see one. I see 2. Okay. I think I'm going down here. See what we got. Look at that. They're little. Like little early potatoes. That's edible. A little bit edible. I'd rather be safe. Oh. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Then I'll know to leave the rest of the buckets a little bit longer. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I could have let it go longer, but that's okay. I love these little potatoes. Look at it. Huh? Exciting. Gotta wipe my face. Ouch. Alright, let's see what else we got. I hope it got a little more. Let's save all this dirt. Put it right back in there. Aw, here we go. I'd like to do sweet potatoes. That's going to be awesome. Here's that baby I pulled out earlier. Alright, let's get to sifting it. There's one. And another one. I do like these little potatoes. I would have liked to have a little more meat on them, but it's okay. I hear my little bird inside, all the way out here. Well, that might be about it right here. Anyway, let's keep digging. Look how little. Oh, goodness. Don't you steal my taters, boy. There's another one. No, you can't have it. See if he'll get one. Don't you steal. Cutie. Alright, let's go back to digging. Digging. Oh, don't you tip back over. Ooh, look at all that good dirt. Oh, nice worms in there. I don't think we're going to find any more. No. Well, since I only got one hand, let's just chalk it up to early potatoes. I'm going to leave the rest of the buckets. And, yeah, if I get any more, I'll make another video. But, oh, look at the worms, though. Nice and healthy. Where'd it go? There he is. Ooh. Long one, too. Alright. There he is. You want to see that? Have a good day, guys.